The weather suddenly got hot, so I bought and drank a slush. I finished exercising and now I'm resting. I ate curry chicken at the school cafe. The chef cooks the food to suit my taste perfectly. The weather is perfect for traveling. The cafe I often visit is closed. I've come to a new cafe. The scenery is beautiful and the seats are comfortable. It suddenly feels like summer. I can concentrate well, so the paper is coming along nicely. I meet up with my friends to eat Jjamppong. The New Zealand bus company got hit by a ransomware, so card taking wasn't possible on the buses. I'm going home.